Okay, it is October, and while our weather is still playing a bit of catch up, it's still a little warm here, the time has come for me to do my twice annual closet changeover. I have to pack away all of my spring summer clothes and bring out all of my fall winter clothes. Now I'm trying to get ahead of the curve on this one a little bit because the weather here where I live in Canada gets very sneaky. One day can be warm and the next day can be freezing cold. So I don't want to be without my warmer gear, and I figure I can layer up in the mornings and peel the layers off as needed in the afternoon. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process from bringing the bins up from the basement to unpacking those bins, going through my decluttering process there, taking everything out of my closet, going through it, looking through my drawers, getting rid of things I don't want, don't wear anymore, and then unpacking and placing everything for fall winter into my drawers and closet. I have a whole closet changeover ebook that I'm basing this off of, and I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. I hope that it inspires you to go through and declutter your closet, pare down, get rid of anything you don't wear anymore, and get it ready for the colder months ahead. It's crazy, like I don't even remember half of the stuff that's in there. Okay, so I got a bit of a head start and I did like a preliminary sort through of my drawers. I picked out a few things from my closet that I knew I was absolutely done with, like the very easy ones just to pick out and get rid of. I put them in this bag, and what I do with this bag is I bring it to my mom and sister. They can have anything they want, and then I decide what to do with the rest, whether it's donate, sell, or try to bring it to a secondhand store. So I'm gonna keep this bag handy and I'm just gonna toss things in there as I make decisions, and I try not to linger on an item for too long. I don't wanna sit around and waste my time making big decisions. It's just like, do I wear it? Yes. Do I like it? Yes. Or no, done. Now I said I got a bit of a head start, and I've packed this bag. This is a storage bag with some of my spring summer items. Yes, I just couldn't wait any longer. I really did need to get a head start on things. The reason I decided to go with these bags instead of these big plastic containers, and to be clear, I just use the same containers for fall, winter, and spring, summer. Like I would usually just empty these out and then put my spring, summer stuff in there. But I find them really clunky. You saw I was kind of on the struggle bus, bringing them up the stairs, moving them around. They're heavy. They also, like the lids, if you overstuff them, which I tend to do, the lids won't close. These they have like that IKEA bag material, and people actually use these for moving boxes, which I think is pretty cool. They're reusable, of course. They're very, very durable. They're strong, stackable. So, you know, I can still put them in my basement. I can stack the bags, but they're just gonna be so much easier to carry around. And the other really cool thing about them is that they have backpack straps. So if I wanted to, you know, put this on in the basement and then bring it up the stairs, I could do that with so much more ease. I find this really smart. I'll put a link to these down below because I love them. The other thing I've done, they have this little area where you can place the labels. So I've just kind of put what's there in the event that I need to find something during the off season, like if I'm going on a trip. All right, so job one is to bring everything out of the closet, put it on the bed, and sort through. There are some pieces that I wear all year round, so I'm gonna leave those in the closet, but everything else is coming out and going on the bed. All right, so I'm gonna start picking through this stuff. Someone invite me somewhere cute so I can wear this. I love this dress. These two I decided are going back in the closet, so I'll keep these for year round. This pile I'm gonna fold and put into a bag, and this pile over here is going to go into my donation bag. Okay, so I already got a head start on this bag. As I said, I've sort of been working my way slowly through the closet, so now I'm just gonna fold up the pieces and start loading them in. I'm putting this back in my closet. I need to find somewhere to wear this. Okay, so I'm dipping into the fall winter bins, feeling slight wave of depression. But I'm just gonna start sorting, just gonna start going through. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is that I have an extraordinary amount of sweatpants. They are just the pinnacle of comfort. And because I do so much work from home, yes, this is mostly what I wear, mostly. However, the question is begged, how many sweatsuits does one really need? So I'm gonna have to think about that. That's a challenge that I'm giving myself while I unpack. That's a maybe pile. All right, so these clothes have been in storage since April. It's now October. So I'm just giving everything a quick smell to see if it's okay. Most of the time, my clothes smell just fine coming out of these bins, but if there is a bit of a funk, I will put them in the wash and dry them before I replace them in my closet. All right, I'm noticing this is a little bit wrinkly. I might actually put this in the steam closet before I hang it up. So let me just put that off to the side. These are woolly socks and stockings, so I'll put those in my drawers after. And we are down a bin. Oh, the sweatsuit bin. My favorite bins, my favorite. Skinny jeans. These are going in the mom pile. Hey mom, skinny jeans are coming your way. Not the most fashionable lady. Canadian necessity. These are like, yeah, like I'm not happy to see these, but I'm happy to see these, if that makes sense. Well, that was quite the effort. Thanks for being here with me, although I was talking to myself most of the time, no problem. By the way, did you know that we have a Clean My Space membership program? You will always get what you get right here on the Clean My Space YouTube channel, but if you're a member, you get a little bit more. So you can learn more about that by clicking the link in the description box down below. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, are you a closet changeover person? Do you go through and transform your closet once or twice a year? Or are you somebody who just lets the sleeping dog lie and goes through the struggle of getting dressed with the same stuff in your closet and drawers each and every day? Let me know. I was that person for a very long time. And by the way, if you want to see how I go through and declutter my really big walk-in closet from my old house, you can click this button right over here. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.